If you're a VTuber, chances are you also like anime and manga. We all know extra models have the potential to cost a lot of money or time if you're making it yourself. So why don't we take the model we already have and change it up? You can call me Trash. I'm a full-time streamer who loves to find ways to save money and do things for free, like turning your model into moving manga. It's safe to assume if you're watching this, you already have a model and know how to use it. However, today we'll be using a tool called ReShade, and if you haven't seen my last video on it, you may want to check it out, because we'll be expanding on that in today's video. I'll be leaving a link to download the shader preset in the description, but for now, we'll be going over how to make this shader combo yourself. First, use the search bar to find Adaptive Sharpen, and check the box. Next, we'll look up Multi-Tone Poster, and change the settings to as shown. Then we'll be enabling the cartoon, monochrome, and blooming HDR shaders. Now this next step isn't necessary, but I think it sort of explains why manga would be moving, so enable this next shader at your discretion. Using the tape noise shader adds a VHS effect to your model, which I personally feel adds just that little extra touch to the model. You shouldn't need to adjust anything, but you're more than welcome to experiment if you would like. If you want to skip all that work, installing the preset I made is incredibly simple. Just go to Steam, right-click VTube Studio, select Properties, go to Local Files, and click Browse. Now all you have to do is put the configuration file into the VTube Studio folder. Now it's time to add the extra touch that really brings this together. You'll want to find a background that would be seen in manga. To do so, search for grunge halftone textures on Google. I'm sure if you were already messing around with ReShade, you've realized that OBS can have issues with transparency when using certain shaders. However, we'll actually be using that to our advantage this time. Let's add our background to OBS and put it below our VTuber model. Next, we'll be adding a color key filter to our VTube Studio capture and setting it to custom color. Then, we'll be setting that to white. Now we can see the background through our model, really selling the manga effect. Now I've tried recreating this effect for VSeeFace, but I don't really like the way it looks so far. I have some ideas on how to have a similar effect, but as of right now, I haven't quite perfected it. You're more than welcome to try your hand at it yourself though, and I'd love to see your results. Tag me on Twitter or join the Discord to make sure I see it. So that's the video. I can't wait to see your models in manga form and hearing the other ideas that you guys might have. I try to share a video every week, so remember to like the video, subscribe, and ring that bell to see what I come up with next. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please share them in the comments below, or stop by and ask live on stream sometime. I stream every Friday and Saturday at 7 PM Eastern Standard Time on both YouTube and Twitch. My name's Trash, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alright, and nobody realizes it. They don't throw down a Deku Nut and then disappear. They literally paralyze you and then just leave. That's you like freezing and then unfreezing. Your perception of time is off.